Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2025 Honda S2000. If you're a fan of performance cars with a rich history, this one's for you. This silver beauty is a perfect blend of style, power, and precision, so let's break down everything that makes this car so special. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 Honda S2000, you know this is a car designed to perform. The sleek, aggressive lines give it an aerodynamic presence that commands attention. The silver paint job is understated yet elegant, reflecting the car's high-performance nature. The front fascia features sharp, angular headlights, complemented by a wide, modern grille that enhances its sporty stance. The sides are clean with perfectly sculpted curves, showcasing a low, aggressive profile. Those 19-inch alloy wheels, framed by muscular wheel arches, add just the right touch of refinement. Moving to the rear, you can't miss the rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips, signaling this car is all about performance. And the retractable spoiler at the back. It's the cherry on top of a dynamic and purposeful design. Step inside the 2025 Honda S2000, and you're instantly greeted by a cockpit built for driving enthusiasts. The interior exudes simplicity and sophistication, with a driver-focused layout that makes every control feel right at hand. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, hugging you in place as you push this car to its limits. The leather upholstery, with red stitching, gives the interior a touch of flair while maintaining a sense of durability. The dashboard features a digital display that is sharp, modern, and packed with essential information. Honda has ensured the infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, keeping the focus on the driving experience. It's a minimalist design but one that's functional and engaging, giving you everything you need without overwhelming you. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 S2000 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pushing out about 320 horsepower. That power propels this car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, making it an absolute thrill to drive. The 6-speed manual transmission keeps that pure connection between car and driver, and the precision handling is where the S2000 really shines. Thanks to a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, the car feels incredibly balanced, responding with razor-sharp handling through every curve. The suspension is tuned to strike a perfect balance between comfort and performance, making it just as at home on the track as it is cruising the streets. The steering is responsive, and the brakes offer impressive stopping power. Oh, and the exhaust note? It's a deep, throaty growl that gets more aggressive the harder you push it, pure driving bliss. When it comes to price, the 2025 Honda S2000 starts at around $45,000. While it's not the cheapest option out there, it offers a great balance of performance, design, and value. When you compare it to other high-performance sports cars in the same range, the S2000 is definitely competitive. Of course, prices can go up with additional features and performance packages, but even at the base price, you're getting a whole lot of car for your money. So, there you have it, the 2025 Honda S2000. It's a car that blends legendary performance with a modern design, offering an unforgettable driving experience at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a sports car that's as thrilling as it is beautiful, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting us know your thoughts on the 2025 Honda S2000. Would you take it for a spin? Let us know. See you next time.